So we're at a preview for this Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and this device is one of Xiaomi's most premium device yet. It comes with a Leica-branded quad camera system, and with its premium appeal, it also has a matching price tag. For the Malaysian market, this phone with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of storage retails at a cool 5,199 ringgit. It will be available for pre-order from 23 to 29 June later this week, and you will also get a couple of nice freebies if you pre-order it within this period, including an instant photo printer worth 619 ringgit. As for the phone itself, just how good is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra? Well, obviously it feels very nice in my hands. A nice metal frame with this leather-like back and this pretty huge camera bump, but it comes as no surprise because this is a photography focused phone. All 4 sensors of the quad camera system are 50 megapixel shooters. There's the primary 1-inch type sensor that comes with a variable aperture system that goes from f1.9 to f4.0. It also has a periscope telephoto lens, another telephoto lens, and of course an ultra-wide-angle shooter. All in all, a very versatile camera configuration. We tried it out very briefly shooting the beautiful skyline of Kuala Lumpur, and obviously it's a very capable camera system. It feels very responsive. The moment I press the shutter button, it takes the picture, and the images also have very nice vibrant colors and very sharp details as well. Then again, this is a very bright day, and any camera worth its salt should be able to take great looking pictures under these lighting conditions. So we do have to test it at lower light conditions to see just how capable this camera really is. Now let's quickly run through the specs of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. It has a 6.73-inch 1440p OLED display with a fast 120Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging, and of course IP68 water resistance. It's only natural for a phone this premium to come with all of these features. And that is our very quick look at the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. It's certainly a very premium phone, though at 5,199 ringgit, it's also quite expensive, so we really have to wait for the full review to see if it is worth that asking price. This has been Andrew for NextShift, and stay tuned on this channel as well as nextshift.com for more exciting stuff.